Welcome back to our channel. With gift-giving moments just around the corner, you might be wondering how to come up with something unique and heartfelt without spending a fortune. Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the top 10 quick and easy DIY gifts that are perfect for any occasion. Whether it's for birthdays, holidays, or just because, these DIY gifts are sure to impress. Trust me, these gifts are not only easy to make but also incredibly thoughtful. Excited? Let's get started! And don't go anywhere, because the last gift idea is something you'll definitely want to make right away. It's that good. 1. Personalized photo coasters. Photo coasters are a fantastic way to display memories while also serving a practical purpose. Start with plain ceramic tiles from any craft store. Print photos on regular computer paper. Using Mod Podge, adhere the photo to the tile and let it dry. Apply another layer of Mod Podge on top to seal and protect the photo. You can also add felt pads to the bottom of the tiles to prevent scratching surfaces. Different finishes can completely change the look of these coasters. Up next, we have an idea that's not only cute but also utterly relaxing. Keep watching. 2. Scented candle jars. Nothing says thoughtful like a handmade candle. All you need are soy wax flakes, essential oils, and a wick. Melt the soy wax in a double boiler until it's fully liquid. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the melted wax. Secure the wick at the bottom of a mason jar, then carefully pour the wax into the jar. Let it harden, and you've got a beautiful scented candle. Different essential oil combinations can create unique scents. Coming up, a gift that's perfect for the foodie in your life. Stay tuned. 3. Customized recipe book. For the food enthusiast, a customized recipe book is both personal and useful. Buy a blank notebook or binder. Gather your favorite recipes, type them up, and print them with a decorative font. Insert the recipes into the book, and feel free to add personal notes or cooking tips. To make it even more special, add some family recipes that have been passed down through generations. Want to know a cool way to personalize this even further? Stick around. Up next, we have a gift that's both super cozy and stylish. 4. DIY knit scarf. A cozy scarf is always a welcome gift. Even if you're not an expert knitter, you can create a beautiful scarf with just a few basic stitches. Choose a soft yarn in the recipient's favorite color. Using simple knitting techniques, you can craft a scarf in an evening. If knitting isn't your thing, you can make a no-sew fleece scarf by cutting strips of fleece fabric and tying knots at the ends. Add extra flair with some fringes or tassels. Our next idea will make your friends feel like they're at a spa. Curious? Keep watching. 5. Homemade bath bombs. Treat your loved ones to a spa experience at home with homemade bath bombs. Mix together baking soda, cornstarch, citric acid, Epsom salts, essential oil, and a bit of water. Press the mixture into molds and let them dry overnight. Once hardened, package them in a cute jar or gift box. You can even add dried flowers or glitter to make them extra special. Different molds can create unique shapes. Up next, we have a green thumb's best friend that you don't want to miss. 6. Potted succulent garden. Succulents are trendy and low maintenance, making them an ideal gift. Start with a shallow pot or container. Arrange small succulent plants in the pot. Fill in with cactus soil and add decorative pebbles on top. You can also include a small care guide for those who are new to caring for succulents. It's a gift that grows and continues to look beautiful with minimal effort. Different containers make each garden unique. Our next idea is perfect for the artist in your life. Ready to get creative? Stay tuned. 7. Handmade art prints. If you have some artistic talent, put it to good use by creating custom art prints. Use watercolors, acrylics, or even digital illustrations to create unique designs. Frame the artwork in a simple frame that complements the design. This is a personal and meaningful gift that can decorate any room beautifully. If drawing isn't your forte, you can still create beautiful prints with stencils or stamps. Different frame styles can change the look completely. Up next, we have something both tasty and beautifully packaged. 8. Gourmet flavored oils. A gourmet flavored oil is a delightful gift for the culinary enthusiast. Choose a base oil like olive oil. Add in your chosen flavorings such as garlic, herbs, or chili flakes. Pour the oil into a decorative glass bottle and seal it tightly. You can even design your own label for a personalized touch. This gift not only looks beautiful, but also adds a delicious flavor to any dish. Different combinations can cater to different tastes. Our next idea is perfect for organizing enthusiasts. Want to know what it is? Keep watching. 9. DIY decorative storage boxes. Help your loved ones stay organized with custom decorative storage boxes. Start with plain wooden boxes. Paint them in your recipient's favorite colors or patterns. You can also use decoupage techniques to add beautiful paper designs or fabric to the boxes. These storage boxes are both practical and stylish, perfect for any room in the house. Different designs can match different decor styles. Our final idea is something you definitely don't want to miss. It's sweet, comforting, and perfect for any occasion. 10. Hot chocolate gift set. A hot chocolate gift set is perfect for cozy winter nights or to enjoy any time of the year. Fill a mason jar with layers of hot chocolate mix, mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, and crushed peppermint. Seal the jar and decorate it with a ribbon and a tag that includes instructions on how to make the hot chocolate. You can even include a cute mug and a spoon for stirring. This sweet treat is bound to warm anyone's heart. Different mix-ins can create unique flavors. Want to know the ultimate way to package this gift? Stay tuned for our bonus tip. And there you have it, minus 10 quick and easy DIY gift ideas that are perfect for any occasion. These gifts are not only budget-friendly, but also show that you've put thought and effort into making something special for your loved ones. But we're not done yet. Make sure to watch until the end for a bonus tip that will elevate your DIY gift game to a whole new level. Do you want more DIY gift ideas? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. If you found these ideas helpful, imagine what other creative projects we have in store for you. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of DIY enthusiasts. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you're always the first to know when we upload a new video. Stay tuned for our next video where we share more amazing DIY gift ideas that are not only quick and easy, but also heartwarming and memorable. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!